Honey, I'm home.
Shut up, I'm watching the game.
I brought you dinner.
Said, shut up, I'm watching the game.
Well, you know, if you need it, it'll be in the
Oh my
microwave.
god, shut up, I'm watching the game. I don't know if they're going to be in playoffs, they're losing by 10 points, it's the second quarter, I just don't know what's going to happen. You need to stop it. Just leave me alone for once. I can't ever watch a game without... What's wrong?
Why'd you do that?
You really weren't sure.
My eye hurts really in the eye and my nose is bleeding.
Oh my god.
You're not abusive. Why'd you do that?
I'm sorry. You know, it was an accident. I mean, you got me at a bad time. It was a game. You know, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to. I love you. I didn't mean to. It's just... Oh my god. Touchdown! Shoot! Touchdown, baby.
Baby, it's a touchdown. Touchdown, baby. Oh my god. There we go. This should come out fine. Hey. Hi.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Look here. Why don't I wear my glasses?
Because I wanted to.
Don't take them off. I want to see your eyes. Oh my god!
Why'd you do this to me?
Did I do that? Really?
Yes, you hit me with a shoe, you freaking... I don't even know what to call
I'm
you.
sorry. Babe, you know I didn't mean to. I swear. I
Yeah.
promise I didn't mean to. Come here.
Yes.
Come here.
Whatever. You
I promise. I promise.
Okay.
It was the first time I hit you, right? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Ow! Oh my god! You stepped on my toe! Ow! Oh my god! Are you okay? I'm sorry. Hey, I'm sorry. That was just out of pain. You just stepped on my foot. I wasn't expecting it. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. It was fine.
Hey, me and the guys are going out to a club tonight. And I was wondering if you wanted to come too.
Sure.
Okay. Hey, guys.
No, hey, hold on. Let's go talk.
Hey, hang on. Guys, get us a boot. A boot.
Come on.
Not one on the table, the boot.
Come on, you're drunk. I want to go home.
You're wrong. What are you talking about?
I want to go home. You and the guys are all drunk.
We're all fine.
No.
I got you here.
I'm going home.
Fine.
I'm going home.
No, you're not going home.
I'm going home.
We're going in the club.
I'm going home.
We're going in there and we're gonna get on your groove.
I'm going home. You are so drunk. Oh my god. I'm going home. But
To the Macarene.
I'm going home.
You're not.
I'm going
You're
home.
going in there.
Leave me alone.
I'm going just like a jerk. Idiot. If I go alone.
No, come on. You're going alone.
You're going in.
No.
You're going.
No, I'm not. No, leave me alone. I'm going home.
Oh my lord. You're going in.
I'm going home.
Oh, come on. Come on.
I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of your views.
We're not
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shoot you.
Settle my little friend. Hello. Oh my god. I didn't think it was loaded.
Oh my god. See, this is what can happen if you're in an abusive relationship. It's not good to get hit, get black eyes, or only want these in a relationship. So, Abuse 101 is here to tell you